Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. In this video, we'll teach you 9 ways to collect customer feedback on your website. Getting feedback before problems arise is key to keeping your customers happy. And for every happy customer, they'll tell 9 more, so the results of your efforts will multiply. The first way to collect customer feedback is to pop up a customer survey on your website. One of the easiest ways to gather feedback is to take advantage of your website real estate with a survey pop-up. Make sure to display it on pages and to visitors who have shown engagement and interest in your content. Number 2 is to put a feedback button on your website. Having a feedback button or link, such as the one shown here, shows your customers that their opinion matters to you. Beyond that, you will have a steady inflow of feedback from your customers from which you can learn, grow, and change. Number 3 is to offer an incentive. If you're struggling to collect feedback, consider giving survey participants a motivation to respond, such as a coupon, discount, or money back. Number 4 is to use live chat. Live chat is becoming a popular customer service tool because it's convenient for customers and affordable for you. Try and include live chat on your pricing page and checkout page so you can answer questions and reduce cart abandonment. Number 5 is to ask at the right place and time. When getting customer feedback, you'll likely want to ask different questions on pricing pages and checkout pages. Pricing page questions will focus on information to help visitors buy, while checkout questions could focus on the checkout and purchase experience. Number 6 is to find out why they're abandoning your site. Try using an exit intent pop-up to ask your customers why they're leaving your site and if they need a little more help getting to know you and your product and service. Number 7 is to ask customers to self-select their interests. With this valuable information, you can figure out what most of customers like and target promotions accordingly, create concrete buyer personas based on real data, and send different emails according to customers' preferences, making sure they'll get relevant information. Number 8 is to monitor your website's analytics. Don't just rely on what your customers are telling you. You can rely on what the statistics are saying. Keep your eyes on the bounce rate, as well as be familiar with the pages that are getting the most traffic. This indicates what your customers are most interested in. And number 9 is to run user testing. Usability Hub has a free 5-second tool that allows you to upload a screenshot of your page, and users give their feedback after looking at the website for 5 seconds. This can be an excellent resource so you can make the changes you need to your website to make the right first impression. Use this feedback to help with product development, to turn your customers into advocates, and to use as social proof on your website to encourage other visitors to become customers. Before you go, don't forget to sign up for our free gift to you, 12 proven ways to convert abandoning visitors into subscribers. Learn how to unlock the highest revenues from each of your website visitors.